Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to make an incredibly delicious vegetarian pizza. We'll make the dough, the sauce, the filling, and I'll share a little secret to make kneading way easier. Let's get started. First, grab a large bowl. Into the bowl, add 3 1/3 cups of bread flour. Now, pour in 1 1/3 cups plus 1 tablespoon of warm water. You want it comfortably warm, around 95 to 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix everything together till it's just combined. Don't worry about kneading it perfectly right now. Cover the bowl with a towel and let the dough rest for half an hour. This keeps it from drying out. During this rest, the gluten starts developing all on its own, making the dough much easier to knead later. It's a great little trick. While the dough is resting, let's whip up the sauce. In a small bowl, start with half a cup of tomato puree. Quick moment while I add this tomato puree. Just wanted to mention I actually wrote the music you're hearing. Hope you enjoy it. All right, back to the pizza. To that, add 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic, 1 teaspoon of dried Italian herbs, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Finish it off with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Give that a good mix. Let the sauce sit for a bit while we finish the dough. The flavors will really come together nicely. All right, our half hour is up. Now add 2 teaspoons of dry yeast and half a teaspoon of sugar right into the dough. Gently mix those in. Then add 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 tablespoons of olive oil right on top. Keeping the salt off the yeast for a moment helps the yeast get going. Now it's time to knead. Work the dough until it's nice and smooth. Once it's kneaded, cover it up again and let it rise for about 1.5 hours. Find a warm spot for it if you can. Somewhere above 77 degrees Fahrenheit is perfect. While that dough works its magic, let's get the filling ready. I'm using a little vegetarian sausage and vegetarian cheese today for extra flavor. But hey, regular cheese works great too. Now for the soy chunks. Put 1 cup of soy chunks in a bowl. Carefully pour 4 1/4 cups of boiling water over them. Stir in 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt. Let those soak for about 15 minutes. After they've soaked, drain them really well and squeeze out all the extra water. You want them as dry as possible. To really boost the flavor, let's fry these soy chunks. Heat 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add your squeezed soy chunks. Season them up with 1 teaspoon of dry garlic, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and about 1 teaspoon of your favorite meat seasoning blend. Fry them up, stirring now and then until they're golden brown and looking delicious. Oh yeah, look at that dough. It's puffed up beautifully. See those bubbles? Perfect. Sprinkle a little flour on your counter and gently turn the dough out. No need for a rolling pin here. Just use your fingertips and hands to gently stretch and press the dough into a pizza shape. Try to keep it light and airy. Carefully slide your pizza base onto a baking sheet. Spread that tasty sauce we made all over, leaving a little room for the crust. Now, pile on the toppings, sprinkle on your cheese, add the veggie sausage, our seasoned soy meat, some mushrooms and olives, or whatever you love on your pizza. For a nice golden crust, just brush the edges with a little olive oil. Let's get this baked. Slide the pizza into your preheated oven, turned up as high as it goes. Every oven's a little different, but aim for that maximum heat, usually somewhere between 475 and 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake it till the crust is golden and puffy and the cheese is bubbly and melted. Just keep an eye on it. Done. Look at that beauty. Right when it comes out, I love to toss on some fresh greens, like arugula. Oh, check out that cheese pull. Yes, that's the good stuff. Thanks so much for hanging out and cooking with me today. If you liked this recipe, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with anyone who loves pizza. See you in the next video.